Hey guys, midweek here at Spanky's, and I'm doing some exhaust on the old 55 Chevy pickup truck. So if you want to get a few tips and tricks on how I do a little bit of exhaust work, hey, you might want to watch out for that next video that's fixing to drop any day now. Like, tag, share, and subscribe. Become a fan of the channel. We're always looking for more subscribers, and I'd like to have you. Now, we pop videos about 3 times a week, mostly always about hot rods and classic cars. Actually, 100% about hot rods and classic cars. I take you to shows, take you to neat events. Got one coming up tonight, matter of fact. The video will probably drop in a couple of days. You're not going to want to miss it. It's one of Memphis's largest hot rod gatherings and a dinner. It's been going on since the 50s, and you're not going to want to miss it. Everybody that's anything that has to do with hot rods and racing in Memphis is going to be there. It's always a pleasure to see all of my friends and see what's going on. Some of the guys I don't even get to see except for once a year. So anyway, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That's only a month and a half away. We got about 1,200 to go. So you be one of those and come along and join the fun. We're always giving away free swag every month for those that like, tag, share, subscribe. Just do one of the following. Leave a comment. The random YouTube generator will pick a winner every time that we give something away. So make sure that you're part of that and come join the fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, got a lot of hot rod fun coming up this week. So hit that notification bell so you'll be one of the ones that sees what's going on first. Yeah, that ought to do it. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you guys in an upcoming episode. Let's get the welder out.